Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this delicious Guyanese style stewed black-eyed peas or black-eyed peas stew. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have some dried black-eyed peas. I did not soak it. And I have my chicken already well seasoned. I'll show you the process in just a minute. I'll be using one smoked turkey wing. I have coconut milk, some wiri pepper, scallion, thyme, parsley, as well as some onions, bell peppers, garlic, and celery. And I will be using some brown sugar, complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, black pepper, and seasoned salt. So to season my chicken, I went ahead and removed the skin, cut it up into bite sizes, and wash with lemon juice. Here I'll be using some fresh green seasoning, garlic and onion powder, chicken bouillon, seasonal salt, some complete seasoning, and some sriracha seasoning for that spicy kick. Basically, I just added all the ingredients to the chicken, mix well, and set aside to marinate for about an hour or two. Next, we'll go ahead and boil the black-eyed peas along with the smoked turkey wing. I know smoked turkey isn't a part of Guyanese cooking culture, but I had it in the fridge and just decided to use it up. If you can't find smoked turkey, you can simply use a piece of salted beef or salted pigtail. It adds great flavor to this dish. Next, you want to preheat a separate pot, add some oil, allow that to heat up. Once it heats up, you want to go in with your brown sugar. We will caramelize the sugar to help add some color to this dish. Once the sugar is caramelized, you want to add your chicken. Allow that to sit for about a good minute or two before you toss it. Once a minute or two is up, you want to toss it real well. Make sure it's nicely coated with that color. Then we will sit the lid on and allow it to go until all the moisture from the chicken is released. And just for some extra vibrance, I will add a tablespoon of tomato paste in here. Toss that well and let it continue cooking. So at this point, you want to go in with your aromatics as well as the herbs. Mix that well and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now in with our black-eyed peas and our smoked turkey. I did remove the turkey meat from off the bone. We will also add our coconut milk here, and we will add our seasoning to add flavor and taste to the dish. Please remember to taste and season to your own preference. Once everything is well combined, we'll sit the lid on, reduce the heat to low, and allow this to simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes. We want all the ingredients to marry and become one with each other, and we also want this to thicken up before we get ready to serve. After about 35 minutes, this is it guys, my black-eyed pea stew is all done. When I tell you this was mouth-watering and delicious, packed with flavor, and this is one of my absolute favorites. Now let me plate it up and show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of a Guyanese style stewed black-eyed peas with chicken and smoked turkey. I did plate it up with some plain white rice and a fresh garden salad. It was absolutely amazing and I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.